Hello, mate. Welcome back to PageFly Common Issues series, featuring a video addressing alignment concerns. In this video, we've got a quick and practical tutorial on aligning all elements in your product list using PageFly. Let's jump right in. Start by adding a product list on the page editor and assign it to a collection. For instance, let's choose this one. You might notice that the image sizes of each product are different, causing misalignment. To improve the visual consistency, consider making all images the same size. To achieve this, click on Main Media, then General tab, then Media Ratio. Choosing Square ensures all product images share a uniform square shape. Alternatively, customize the image ratio using the Custom option and adjust the parameters for optimal media height. Then you can adjust this parameter to adjust the media height. Now, your images look more cohesive. However, you might observe that the product titles vary in character count, disrupting the alignment. To address this, add a simple code in the CSS code box. Click on the product title, then Styling tab, then scroll down and input this code. Don't worry, I will paste the code in the description. You can check in the description below. You should focus on elements causing misalignment. For instance, if the product price seems distorted, please check the code in the Styling tab for any redundancies and remove them. Voila! Your product list now looks perfect. This adjustment applies seamlessly to all devices. For example, let's switch to mobile to check and then you have it. Now, let's save and check the page in preview. With simple code and technique, you can easily make the product list look alignment together even it has different product image size or different character in product title. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube channel to get more new videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues you might encounter.